Meaning of incontrovertibly.
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 Incontrovertibly. The term incontrovertibly means that something is unquestionably true or cannot be disputed. It suggests that the evidence presented is so strong that it leaves no room for doubt or debate. For example, if scientific research has demonstrated beyond a shadow of a doubt that smoking causes lung cancer, we can say that this link has been incontrovertibly established. The use of this word underscores the finality and certainty of the evidence presented and implies that further discussion or disagreement on the matter is pointless.